What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in beautiful Hot Springs, Arkansas, up on top of West Mountain. Such a beautiful day. I got Jesse Amos with me today, BAMF and Three Brothers team driver. So if you saw the last video, you know that I got sent some BAMF inserts, and we're here today to test them out. And who better to test them with than Jesse? He knows all about them. So thanks for joining. If you like the video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's see what these things are all about.
Let's get it.
This is the first run with the new BAMF inserts. I'm excited for this. I have not ran it whatsoever, so let's see how it does. Let's get some nice side action here. Ooh, those are holding nice. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can get it over here a little bit. So, talking with him, he said he was sending some super softs, and to be honest, I was a little worried about them being too soft. But I think these are freaking perfect, dude. You see that line? First run ever on the new BAMF inserts. Uh-oh, we hung up on something. There we go. Wow. So this is a line I just spotted earlier today. Let's see if I can hit it. I'm always looking for new spots out here. Oh, my bumper got caught there. Let's try over here. There we go. That's it. Oh. Oh. Oh, hang on. Let me get it over this way. I don't know. Doozy line. Them inserts working though. Doing what they're supposed to be doing. That back tire wasn't folding up at all. Man, it happens sometimes, but that wasn't because of the inserts. You could see in the tires, those inserts were holding the tires out nice and wide. It wasn't letting the tire fold in underneath itself, so that was more driver error and lack of rig performance than inserts, but we're gonna keep going. Let's see what else we can find. All right, guys, so as you know, we hit this spot often, and there's some lines out here that we are constantly trying to conquer, and this would be one for me. I know Jesse's been able to hit it in the past with his rig, and let's see if I can make it today. I've never been able to. Getting up's not really the problem. It's making the turn. So as long as that left tire is thick, squish. Bro. Come on, celebrate too early, bro. Bro, I'm super stoked about that. I've been trying to kill that line for a minute, and we just did it with the new BAMF inserts. Let's go. All right guys, so this is one of the massive wall climbs we have at this spot. It's super gnarly, super steep and super slick, but there is lots of little cracks and crevices that if you can get your tire to hold in, you can get some elevation out of it. So we'll see how the BAMFs do on this here. We gotta find their spot to get up. Well, that just walked right up.
Get that rear kind of more up left at the angle going up. The front was right.
I can't even see. Let me get over here. Not in the best position. We almost had it, bro. We're gonna give it another shot though. Just trying to find the grip.
Good save.
Dude, those inserts are working their butts off. Man, that's a doozy of a spot, bro. But I'm super impressed with how these inserts are working. Let's see if we can find another spot. All right, guys, it's another super tricky spot. You got to hit it just right. Look at them things eat, boy. Little wheelie action for you guys. Alright, well that's what I would call a successful day of tuning. I couldn't be more pleased with these inserts. So Jesse knows I've been a dual stage foam guy for a very long time.
As long as I've known you.
And the Injora inserts, the silicone inserts that we were running in this, they were doing pretty good. Like actually, like they were definitely a step up from the dual stage foams. So don't get me wrong, the Injora inserts are a really good product, especially for the price. They actually held up pretty well as I inspected them after pulling them out. You know, they still look like in good shape. No fins or anything inside of it was broken or stretchy looking or anything like that. So, but if you're looking to elevate your game even more, look into BAMF. I am 100% serious. He has just gained a new customer for life. We will be working on future projects for sure. I just love everything that they put out today.
Man, look good. Definitely the best I've seen the rig look, for sure.
The side healing, we put it through a lot of tests. We did some climbing, we did some side healing, we did some stress testing.
Just hitting spots you normally don't hit real quick. It was just crawling right up like it was nothing.
Made a line I haven't been able to make in the past, and I'm just super happy with them. I'm excited to see what else we do with these inserts in. We got tomorrow we're going to be hitting the Arkansas River Valley Crawling Club's first ever comp. Out there giving them a hand, getting that going, doing some judging, and we'll see how she does up there in Greenwood.
Be a good test tomorrow for sure.
Heck yeah. So once again, thank you, Lewis, or is it Luis? I'm not really sure if it's Lewis or Luis, but thank you, bud. I really appreciate you sending me these. I will definitely be in touch. We're going to get a few more sets and try some different compounds and stuff. I've got a class 1 rig that I'm struggling with that I think could use some too. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.